Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps for your family. My name is Rajeshwar. Today we are going to explore how can we create internet gateway using Terraform. So this is the resource block that we are using to create the internet gateway. So this is the keyword and this is the AWS internet gateway resource type, and this is the internal name that is referred by the Terraform and the VPC ID. In our last video we have created our VPC. If I go to the VPC and subnet, you see this is the VPC reference. So AWS underscore VPC, and this will be referenced by AWS underscore VPC dot my hyphen VPC dot ID. So that is the attribute we are referring here, and I'm giving the tag name as DFU IGW, that is internet gateway. Okay, what is the internet gateway? Internet gateway is the entry point of your traffic. If I go to the flow of our Terraform resources, so whenever there is a traffic, it may be HTTP traffic or that is the SSH traffic, first that will hit to the internet gateway. Okay, so from the internet gateway it attach we are going to attach the internet gateway to the VPC. From there it will route the traffic to the route table. The route table we are going to create route to the respective subnet. So this is the traffic flow. So this is the new file I have added, IGW, that is internet gateway.tf. So I'm going to just do a git status. Since we are having this code in our repository, I'm just going to git add dot and git commit -m for the message. So I will just update igw.tf updated. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to push this code to our remote repository. Git push origin. Before that, I just want to have this git status so that we don't have any commit to no changes to commit. So we have no changes. Now I'm going to push this to our remote branch, that is origin main. This is the branch name. Yeah. So now this code get pushed into our remote repo that is called AWS Terraform demo. If you see, this is the 4 commit, and if you see, this is the last commit which I just updated now, and I'll be opening this one, and this is the new file or the content of the file, that is igw.created. Now if I go to my AWS console and if I just open this IGW, there will be a default IGW, but our goal or our aim is to create our own custom IGW that is called DFU IGW. So again, what is the internet gateway? Internet gateway is the entry point of your traffic that will be get routed inside the AWS. So if the traffic is coming to the IGW, from there it will be going to the respective VPC. From there it will go to the route table, and the respective route we have associated with our subnets. So in our case it will be the public subnet. So if I just go to the diagram again, I'll be just explaining this again and again so that you guys can able to understand the flow. The traffic hit to 80 or port SSH22 to the internet gateway. In the internet gateway, we are just associating our custom VPC that we have created in our last video, and there we have mapped the we are going to create a route and route table. Then followed by the route, we are going to associate that route table to the public subnet. Okay, from there it will go to the respective EC2 instance. Yeah, if you see this route table we have not yet created. So now I'll be just apply this command. Okay, so Terraform. I'll be just doing a plan now so that it will give us the overview what is the resource it's going to create. Terraform plan. To execute the plan, what is going to create? It should say it is going to create one resources that is related to our internet gateway. If you see, this is the resource keyword AWS internet gateway, right? DFU IGW, this is the internal name, and it's going to create DFU IGW, and this is the tag name we are going to see in our Terraform console. Now I'm just going to, so in my last video I just apply -, approve, this one auto approve, right? If I'm not giving that flag, this will prompt us to press yes to proceed. So if I want to just, since it's a demo, I'm just using that -, auto approve command to ignore this input yes. So here I'm just giving yes. So now it will create a internet gateway. If I go and refresh my AWS console, we can able to see our new IGW that is getting mapped to our VPC. Yes, you see, right? IGW, if you see, this is getting mapped to our VPC which we created, we like our VPC that is called mobile app VPC. And guys, this is my web page which I created for just for to reach me, or you can just go to my GitHub page for forking or downloading the Terraform commands. So if you click this subscribe button, and I'm encouraging you to watch my video so that you can just get some knowledge on the Terraform and the DevOps process, followed by the Agro CD deployment. This is the GitOps deployment. So this is really very useful video, guys. I just want you to go over this GitOps video. That will be very benefit to you if you are if you are in the learning process or something, okay? And also followed by the AWS and Azure resources. And yeah, so thanks for watching. My upcoming video is all about how can we create a resource table, that is the route table and the route. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.